Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick overview of our GHL SaasKits AI, which is the content writer platform by using AI. Okay, so with this software you can write content for your landing pages, your funnels, your websites, or your lead magnets, and your blog post, and so many more. Okay, and you can also create a voiceover, okay, if you have the content. Okay, and you can also do a lot of different things with this software. Okay, so let me show you one by one. Okay, so let me open the smart editor. By using the smart editor you can write content for your blog, for your funnel. Okay, so let me show you for the funnel. Let's say I want to create a sales page. Okay, so you see here the sales letter funnel, or the long form sales letter. If I want to create a lead magnet, okay, we have the option to write your content for your lead magnet. Okay, so if you want to set up a funnel, let's say webinar funnel. Okay, so we have the webinar funnel, auto webinar funnel content. Okay, so for this type of content, all you just need to provide the information here. Okay, and then it will write your full page content. Okay, so it's not just prompt by prompt. By using ChatGPT you can create your landing page content. Okay, that's totally fine, but we have a prompt already, which actually a proven strategy for all that type of sales pages, webinar landing pages, or the lead magnet pages, or whatever page you need for your funnel or for your website. Okay, and also we have the email. Let's say you want to send a cold email. Okay, so we also have the prompt already for that. Okay, so all you just need to provide the information and your cold email will be ready in a few seconds. Okay, so let's say email, let's say abandoned cart email. Okay, so if you want to create abandoned cart email for your checkout page, then you can also do that. Okay, if you want to set a follow-up email. Okay, so whatever content you actually need for your business, you can create by using these tools. Okay, and also let me show you a few more features. Okay, you have the content rewriter. Okay, AI images. You can create image by using the artificial intelligence. You can create your voiceover. You can create speech to text. Okay, and you can also use the AI vision or AI chat image. Okay, so the let's say for AI vision. Okay, so you will upload file. Okay, and then it will analyze and it will write the content. Okay, so we just tested few content for the code. Okay, but you can do this. Okay, so AI chat image. Okay, so for that if you just provide a image, and then it will analyze that image and it will give you the content. Okay, so by using this software you can do a lot of things that actually chat gpt or OpenAI offers. Okay, so this is the overview, okay, for this software, but we have step by step tutorial for this software. Okay, so once you will logged in, you will able to get. But and in any case you need help from us, just you just need to write us on our email, support email, then we will be happy to help you. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you get the idea how this AI tool will help you grow your business. Okay, thank you again, have a nice day.